Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. I'm up Dry Creek in central Utah, out playing around with the all-new Maverick R. We've added a whole bunch of accessories on this one. Wanted to come up, kind of give it a shakedown, taking it to Kanab, Utah next week, and want to check it out. I got a helper up here today. She's on the hunt for bugs. So on this one, we do have the front bumper from Can-Am. We've got the Ryco Street Legal Kit on it. We've got the Can-Am light bar up there in the hood area. We've got the Can-Am side view mirrors with the smart accessory lights. That sweet upper light bar. We do have the hood scoop. Of course, this model comes with the full doors already. Comes with bead locks. Hey, what? You want me to move that big rock?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be right there. All right, then we've got 5150 rock lights throughout the entire machine, about everywhere. 5150s on the back. Seat for the little one. 12 speakers in this unit. 12, yes. 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 subs under the seat. That's 12. She's not letting up. Let's go see what she's wanting me to do. We're not done on the build yet. What?
For bugs under this rock.
You want a what?
Look for bugs under this rock.
Under that rock?
Yeah.
All right, stay tuned, everybody. I'm gonna need both hands on this one.
2 hands.
Just pull it up with 2 hands. It's too heavy. Ugh. Let's find a smaller one. Okay. So Dry Creek, you guys know I love to come up here and test out suspension and find out how the machine does with squeaks and all that jazz. You got one figured out? All right, I'll be right there. We've got all of the Can-Am cargo in the back. Highly recommend. You want to have your machine ready to go with everything in it that you need. Tablet holder. Center seat. Whoa! She's on one today. Windshield wiper, washer fluid kit. We don't need them today, but heated seats. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Very nice, very nice. Oh yeah, Can-Am back window. It's on there as well. Which one?
This one.
Why are you picking all the big ones? Let's see what's underneath. Ugh. Whoa, look at all those ants.
Oh my gosh.
There's a roly-poly.
Where is it?
Right here.
It's super big. Where's 2? Oh, they're so cute and adorable. And the massive purple roly-poly.
Yeah.
And you get that on. Oh.
Look at all those eggs. We got to put it back so the ants don't bite us. Boom. There we go. All right, I'm sure I forgot a couple of things, but the Maverick R's got a great ride. It's very bouldery up here. We're not in super speeds. We're in low range. Pretty much first and second gear, low range. Gotta love it. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. We'll see you in Kanab next week.